Hi guys, it's Shane again. Now, I know what you guys have been wondering. Over these last few videos, you're kind of thinking, why is he speaking so quickly? Well, that's what we're going to address in this video. Basically, as a native speaker, I don't think about it, but I often use contractions. And not the contractions that might be associated with having a baby. I use contractions, which is contracting words and phrases so that they're shorter. Now, oftentimes it's just two words that you put together, but sometimes it can be a lot of words smashed into one. Now, the most common one that you guys might be aware of, or you might be familiar of, is going to or gonna. So think about this. What are you going to do later? Now, if you've been in one of my classes, that's not what you're going to hear. You're going to hear, what are you going to do later? Okay? Because we use going to quite a lot. We know it's part of the future tenses. We know that it's even part of the present continuous. So it's a very commonly used phrase. So sometimes we like to be a little bit economic with our language and make it short. So what are you going to do becomes, what are you gonna do? Let's make that shorter again. What are you can become what you. What you gonna do? Like the song, bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Okay, that's my audition for singing. Let's continue. How about, do you want a Coca-Cola? Do you want a Coke? Do you want a Coke? Do you want a Coke? You want a Coke? Want a Coke? It can get smaller and smaller and smaller. And sometimes what we forget is, as native speakers, when we say something very short like that, often there's people are wondering, why does it look so short? Well, contractions, again. Let's look at a few other ones. Ain't. Now this is quite an American one. Imagine if you're thinking of an American who is not sure of what they're talking. I ain't sure about that. Or, I ain't finished yet. Okay? That's am not, are not, is not, and it also means have not as well. I ain't done. Alright? She ain't finished yet. Alright. Give me. Now, that one is a pretty straightforward one as well. You might have heard me say at some stage, give me your pen. Or give me your book. I need to correct something. So, give me becomes gimme. Going to, gonna. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna turn around and desert you. Got to. I have got to go somewhere. I gotta go. I gotta get out of here. I have got to. And you've also I have got. There's another song reference I can make for you. Janie's got a gun. She has got a gun. Poor Janie. She must have been very stressed out. All right. Kind of becomes kinda. That's kind of confusing for some of you guys, I guess. Let me is Lemmy. Not Lemmy Kilmister of the band Motorhead, but Lemmy. Let me. Gya becomes you. What are you up to? What are you up to? What are you up to? Or what you up to? What you up to? That sounds quite complicated, but again, it's just a contraction. And in Ireland, we also use ye as opposed to you or you's or yiz as a way of saying you in the plural. So, hey guys, what are you up to? What are you up to? All right. Now, remember, these are not formal and you cannot use them in writing. But when you're speaking with a native speaker, it's absolutely fine. And you know what? We're going to understand you whether you like it or not.